Let's see, my MS271 just doesn't want to stay running. So what we're gonna do today is do a little maintenance on it. Bought the tune-up kit. So the next step is to get to it, you got to take these screws out here. So I'm going to remove this housing. Looks like it's just 3 screws. Alright, so you remove those 3 screws. And then here's what we've got. You can see the filter's pretty clogged. Other than that, it's not bad. This will be the first time, and I think this is like maybe 6 years old. So I'm hoping replacing the air filter and a new spark plug, and I have a fuel filter, will fix it. Here's the rebuild kit I ordered off Amazon. Air filter, fuel filter, spark plug, a couple replacement nuts, and some fuel line. So hopefully this will do the trick. You can see the new air filter is on there. And here's the new spark plug versus the old spark plug. The old one's pretty fouled up and got carbon on it, so definitely needed to be changed. I did take out the spark arrest, which is, it came right next to the muffler over there. As you can see, I didn't have any debris in there or anything, but I went ahead and cleaned it out as I was recommended. Very simple to do with just one small screw that goes in there. And now you can see that's with the screw back in. The spark arrestor has been cleaned and is good to go. Pretty simple. Just took 30 seconds. Now I have the new air filter and spark plug has been installed. So now I'm going to put the case back on, and then I am going to replace the fuel filter that came with the kit. I ordered this fancy forceps, which it was suggested to have because you got to reach into the fuel tank and pull the fuel filter up. So that will be our next step, and then we'll be done. Next, as you can see down in there, is the fuel filter. Got these. Use these forceps to get it out. And this by far was the most difficult part of this task, was getting this fuel filter out. I did get it out. I'm holding on to it with my fingers. It's just a press on, and it goes over that expanded piece at the end. Other than that, pretty simple, but you do have to keep a tight grip on this hose to keep it from going back inside, because it is not very long at all. And after that maintenance, it seems to be running a lot better.